Suicide has been identified as the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29-year-olds globally. And here in Guyana, for the year 2017, the suicide rate was recorded at approximately 30 deaths per 100,000 persons. As part of the Massy Group of Companies' 50th anniversary activities this year, this corporate giant has adopted suicide prevention as one of the national causes with which it would like to be identified.
It's important that we work together towards making our communities, our homes and our workplaces as supportive as possible as we possibly can, and making sure that we share the messages in terms of whether it be the Guyana Interagency Suicide Helpline, whether it be POTS Guyana, whether it be 911. There is so much information out there, and so we have to make sure that we be our brother's keeper to help reduce this scourge that is facing our land.
Mr. Bob Semple addressing the crowd at a suicide prevention walk held recently in the streets of Georgetown. He stated that his company views suicide as a very complicated and tragic problem that the Guyanese populace is facing. Meanwhile, a representative of the Rafia's International Vision and Hope Riva Foundation explained that while it was established in 2014 to focus on domestic violence, over the last 2 years, the issue of suicide in Guyana has pushed the organization to expand its work to address the problem.
RIVA's mission is to support organizations in this country and to provide that financial support that is needed to provide what it's the schools, brochures, awareness around the country. We will start with POTS, we will join other organizations as we continue.
It's expected that if more hands are on deck from both the private sector and other non-governmental organizations to partner with government, sufficient awareness of suicide can be raised to contribute towards a 10% reduction in suicide rates by 2020, in accordance with the government's National Suicide Prevention Plan. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.